Hello, hi guys. Today we have with us CMAT 99.7 percentiler, which is 294 marks. So, ma'am, we want to know about your complete story, how it happened, how CMAT happened. You came to campus, and you finally you are here. So, we want to know about all the details. Starting with first, where you are basically from.
Sir, I am from Delhi, and the thing how I prepared for the exam, first I gave the SNAP exam, which was not so good, didn't went so good. So then I prepared for CMAT, and I prepared. It's a self preparation thing. So I watch lots of videos on YouTube. Then I gave mock tests to prepare myself well. Then I start preparing myself from LR, because that was my best thing. My hands were good on LR, but I am someone who's scared of numbers. So I put that quants part the least. I also prepare for GK, because student don't prepare for GKs.
So if you do, you have a scorecard with you?
Yes, sir, I have
number. So if you look at her score, she have scored 49 marks in GK and 59 in innovation, I think. Yeah. So yes, 49 in innovation and entrepreneurship and 56 marks in GK. So if I join them together, you have scored 105 marks in these two areas.
Yes, sir.
Because anyone who is not scoring these two areas, scoring around 120,
yes,
180, 200 marks. And the moment you had 100 marks for these two areas, suddenly your score goes by
yes,
to 300.
Sir, because I have little interest in entrepreneurship and innovation, so I prepared well for that subject.
Interesting as well.
Yeah, that was
way more.
yeah.
In fact, other colleges also, exam also start using all these things questions. It's better than doing maths.
And in IMT Nagpur, we also have a course like innovation and entrepreneurship.
Yeah, so maths, you got 68 marks out of 80. Logic 71, as you said, you are good in logic. Verbal is 50, GK 56, and innovation 49, so 50. So that's around 294 total. All India rank of 472.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you did a self study. So I think mocks. Yeah, जिसने SNAP दे रहा ना, most of them have taken CAT or SNAP or CET, other exams they are preparing for that. So they're automatically being prepared for maths, verbal, logic. So GK and innovation is the extra thing you need to do. And mocks, वो mock देते जाओ.
Yes, sir.
So I think that's enough.
Yes, sir. And plus innovation and entrepreneurship was new when I gave this entrance exam. So it was a new topic.
Yeah,
so introduced for the first time. So I prepared well for GK and innovation and entrepreneurship, because these were the scoring part, and student usually skip that part. So I think student need to focus on this part especially.
Need to work on that. So last few days remaining. Now we got around 30 days ka time for CMAT. What will you recommend? What they should do? Mocks, you said you did mocks.
Yes. So you have to do the mocks, as well as you have to be confident that the part you have covered till now, because when I prepared, as I mentioned, that I was not good at maths, so I starting prepare like this verbal and numerical verbal subjects. So I hold a good holding on this subject in this topic. I prepare so well that yes, if the question arrive, I need to score this target of marks in this particular topic, so that I can clear this exam. There was the only sailboat I have. So
correct. So then you applied for IMT Nagpur and here. So in this journey, how was your GDPA process, and why IMT Nagpur came in mind first of all, and how was the GDPA process?
So of course, as many students apply after getting the result, many of students apply different MBA colleges. So why I apply for IMT Nagpur first is the thing, because it's a very student driven college. Even a single thing is happening is because of student. So you are getting a overall corporate lifestyle over here. So you are working at 2 a.m. till night. So it was life is very happening at IMT Nagpur. So
and especially when I'm talking to faculty, I realize that faculty are there, but in the background, like they're not in front of you.
Yes.
They're standing behind you.
And the good part is, so they are very experienced. Even faculties from IMA we have here. So they are working here with us. So it was a very amazing. So when I applied for the IMT Nagpur, and after that we have interview PI round, where I have two panelists. And they usually faculty take the
And
interview.
was it a stress interview or was it a chill interview?
No, I think it's a moderate interview because they asked a little bit of GK question which I was good at. So apart from this, they asked journal questions and geographical questions as well. So that was all with my interview.
Great, great. Thank you, yaar. Thank you
so
very much.
Thank you,
All
sir.
the best.
Thank you, sir.